In this Synchronymax AI review, we're going to go over 7 crucial things you need to know about this new AI software that's just been released. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end to find out why it's creating such a buzz. If you're looking for a powerful, innovative AI tool, this might just be the one for you. You can even try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. So, why is Synchronymax AI making waves right now? First, let's talk about its cutting-edge automation features. Synchronymax promises to help businesses automate a wide range of tasks, from customer engagement to marketing and operations. This can save you tons of time and resources, especially if you're running a business with lots of moving parts. Imagine having a personal assistant that can handle your workflows, run your marketing campaigns, and provide personalized recommendations, all automatically. What really sets Synchronymax apart is its intuitive, user-friendly interface. For those who are new to AI, it's designed to be incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be an expert to jump in and start getting results. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or customer service, Synchronymax offers a dashboard that anyone can quickly navigate. No steep learning curve required. Another impressive feature of Synchronymax is its advanced data processing capabilities. This software uses machine learning to analyze large sets of data and deliver insights that would be impossible to gather manually. It makes predicting trends, spotting patterns, and creating data-driven strategies way easier. Whether you're optimizing your website, running ad campaigns, or simply analyzing customer behavior, the insights you'll get will be spot on. One of the most important aspects of AI software is scalability, and Synchronymax excels in this area. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, this tool scales with your needs. As your business grows, Synchronymax grows with you, offering advanced features that cater to every stage of your business lifecycle. This means that, unlike many tools, you won't outgrow Synchronymax anytime soon. Now, let's talk about personalization. Synchronymax has a built-in AI algorithm that tailors its recommendations based on your specific business goals. It doesn't just give generic advice like many other tools. It customizes its insights to match your particular needs, which means more accurate results and higher success rates for your projects. Whether you're trying to grow your audience or fine-tune your product offering, this personalized approach makes a huge difference. If you're wondering about its integrations, you'll be happy to know Synchronymax seamlessly integrates with a wide range of other software. Whether you're using CRM systems, marketing automation tools, or data analytics platforms, Synchronymax can plug into your existing tech stack without missing a beat. This integration makes it much easier to implement into your business without having to change everything you're already using. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. Synchronymax offers round-the-clock support, meaning if you run into any issues, help is just a click away. Whether it's troubleshooting, getting personalized setup advice, or optimizing your campaigns, their support team is responsive and knowledgeable, ensuring you get the most out of the software. So, should you give Synchronymax a try? Absolutely. It's one of the most promising AI tools I've come across, and it's clear that the team behind it has put a lot of thought into making it both powerful and user-friendly. If you're looking for a game-changing tool for your business, you can't go wrong with Synchronymax. If you want to give it a shot, the first link below lets you try it for free. I also have my recommended AI software listed in the description. After testing thousands of them, these are the tools that have made the biggest impact on my digital marketing. Check them out and let me know your thoughts on Synchronymax in the comments.